How to hand over your site to clients with Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over to our Wix Studio website dashboard, scroll down right here onto the left sidebar, and click onto the settings option. Now, once you have done that, it should be able to redirect us to this page. Just scroll down until you can see in here the general, and under that is the rules and permissions. Click on that. And then once you have done that, it should be able to redirect you to this particular part of the settings. We have in here the owner. I only have myself. So let's head over and click onto this invite collaborators. From in there, just input right here their actual email. And then once you have inputted their email, just click onto this add option and then just send an invite. For this one, let's add them as an admin and click onto the send invite. So in here, let's choose a client and click on done. Now, once you have done that, they should be able to appear right here. You can click on three dots and you can resend that. And in here, you can click onto this change owner option. For this case, you can add in here the email address of the new site owner that we would want. So you can just input their name right here. So another option is to actually create a client kit for them for a seamless integration for this. But once you have done that, you should be able to go right here to your client kit and then just hand over the site to them. So that's how you hand over your site to clients with Wix Studio. Hope we helped.